is mastering the art of public speaking important, and how does it contribute to an individual's ability to communicate effectively, engage audiences, and leave a lasting impact?
Mastering the art of public speaking is crucial because it enhances an individual's ability to communicate ideas, inspire, and influence audiences. It fosters effective communication by improving clarity and persuasiveness. Engaging public speaking captivates audiences and leaves a lasting impact, making the message memorable and influential.
What are some key elements and best practices for mastering the art of public speaking, and how can individuals improve their speaking skills to connect with diverse audiences and deliver compelling presentations?
Key elements include voice modulation, body language, and storytelling. Best practices involve practice, preparation, and audience analysis. Individuals can improve their speaking skills by refining their delivery, practicing regularly, and tailoring their message to resonate with the specific needs and expectations of their audience.
How can individuals adapt their public speaking skills to different contexts, such as formal presentations, persuasive speeches, or educational lectures, to ensure they effectively convey their message and engage their audience?
Adapting public speaking skills involves adjusting the tone, content, and style to the context. For formal presentations, individuals should maintain professionalism and focus on clear, structured content. In persuasive speeches, they should use rhetorical techniques to influence opinions. For educational lectures, the emphasis should be on imparting knowledge and promoting active learning.
What are common challenges or pitfalls individuals may encounter when working to master the art of public speaking, and how can they address these issues to become more effective and confident speakers?
Common challenges include stage fright, monotony, or lack of audience engagement. To address these issues, individuals should practice stress reduction techniques, vary their delivery, and actively engage the audience through interactive elements like questions, stories, or visuals. Consistent practice and feedback are vital for building confidence.
How can individuals assess their proficiency in mastering the art of public speaking, and what are signs that they are effectively communicating, engaging, and making an impact with their speaking skills?
Assessment can be done through self-evaluation, peer feedback, and audience response. Signs of effective public speaking include positive audience reactions, audience retention of key messages, and the ability to inspire, persuade, or educate effectively through speech.
Hello viewers. If you enjoyed this video, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button. Your likes encourage me to create more content that you'll love. I truly value your thoughts and feedback, so please take a moment to share your valuable comments in the comment section below. Your comments help me improve and shape the future videos on this channel. To stay updated with more exciting videos and to support my channel, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, so they can join our wonderful community too. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to each one of you for spending your valuable time watching this video. Your support means the world to me. Thank you, and I look forward to bringing you more fantastic content in the future.